today we are putting up and cleaning hay equipment from the first hay harvest. So the first cut is what we typically call it. And right now it's just sitting on the driveway, just existing. It's got a lot of dust and a lot of accumulation of hay on it from the first cut. So today's goal is get all of it blown off, get some of that accumulation dug out of there, and then park it in the barn out of the elements. So what we're doing today is we're going to blow all this accumulation off. All of this stuff needs to come off. It can collect animals, moisture, and all of that's bad for equipment. So we want to get rid of all of that, and we can get rid of the overwhelming majority with the blower. But the first thing we got to do is hook it up to the tractor so we can get the back hatch opened up. Struggling. There it is. Okay, now we've got everything hooked up. Now it's time to open the rear gate, see everything that's piled up in there, and hopefully get everything cleaned out relatively quickly. Okay, before we start digging around in here and getting everything cleaned up, I want to make sure my hydraulic cylinders are locked. That way it can't fall and crush me while I'm in there. So get a little closer to this right here. All this is a valve. Push it down, turn it, and let it go. Now we're locked. It got rained on, and so some of this stuff isn't blowing out the easiest. It's kind of wet and kind of heavy. And even when it does blow, my goodness, it's dusty. It's really, really nasty stuff that builds up in here. Okay. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Hay finds anywhere and everywhere that it can wrap around and be a problem. more of this just built up been accumulated behind places that roll and move, and try to get it all dug out best I can, because you don't want it to build up. I imagine these would. There's no moving parts back there, so that's probably the most important thing. Last thing I want to do, turn my safety valve back open, for now I can let the end gate down. I don't want to let it get end gate down before I clean off the driveway and any of the rest of the stuff that I've blown onto the ground. I don't want it to go back in the baler that we just blew out. Piece is our disc bind. This is a mower conditioner. It's got a disc mower bar under it and these fingers that you call flails. Now this one's in pretty good shape. This one doesn't get blown off too much because the mowing process, because when the grass is green, it's not as dusty. So this one really doesn't get anything except taken home. There are the many joys of farming in the summer. These guys, when you walk up on them and didn't expect them. All right, that's all the equipment cleaned up, put up in the sheds, barns. Until next time, thanks for watching.